There's a panel right here, 2 screws.
Okay.
You take that panel off, and you have 2 valves on the water heater.
Okay.
You got one that's going upright, and another one that's low. So you just turn them in the opposite position they are right now. So this one on the bottom would be in line, and this one towards the middle would be offline.
Okay. To unwinterize it.
To de-winterize it, once you rinse out all your
first. Okay.
and then you come over here. You got to put a plug in. There's a little plug that's in the water heater that you got to put in order to fill it.
And that's where that's.
It's in the water heater. It's just a little door that comes down.
So that's all accessed from that one panel.
This panel accesses the valves
Okay.
to get it off of winterization,
So.
and the one outside is where the plug is
Oh, okay.
to drain it.
Okay.
And it's a 15/16 if you can get a.
Oh, you just got to make sure it's.
Yeah, you screw it back
drain
in,
plug is
tighten it up.
Oh, okay. Okay. Otherwise, you'll see a big wet spot, and you'll know. Oh. Okay.
It'll just be pouring out. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
On. Go ahead and turn on. It gives you a little light, and now you can press the little knob on that deal right there. You can turn it, and if you get more little lights, that's a stronger signal. Now I only got one sitting here, but
Okay.
And that's for the
So
TV
it got-
signal?
that's the TV signal.
And even that got strong. Okay, so that's as far around as it goes. And there it's getting weaker.
Yep.
So. Okay.
And then once you find your signal, then you can just turn off the switch so you don't have to look.
Oh, okay. So that's just for locating it. Okay.
Exactly.
All right. Cable satellite. Okay, that's just for whichever you've got hooked up.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, which is it? Which is hooked to the antenna? The cable or the satellite?
Cable.
Cable. Okay.
And if you have the cable connected, then you shut off the booster.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay.
All the way it does is flush and rinse.
Oh, okay.
Basic shower with a on and off switch on the top here.
Oh, okay.
And then of course, big old medicine cabinet. You got your exhaust fan up there. GFI is also located in here.
Okay. All right.
So if you lose power around the kitchen area, you want
Oh,
to
okay.
check that.
So it's got take the grill out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Auto, cool, temperature
Okay,
set.
well, that looks pretty normal then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I wonder if I can go down far enough for it to come on.
Okay, so now this is just cool? Or-
Yep. Right
okay.
now, it's just on auto and cool.
Oh, okay.
Just like home.
It,
Oh,
what's
it does the heat as well?
There,
Yep.
come on.
Okay.
So that's the air conditioner.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you're on auto, it's going to get to the temperature you put on there and automatically shut off.
Right.
And so then, but the heat then will come out of the floor.
Yes.
Okay, but this still controls both the heat and the cool. Okay.
Right. If you put the fan mode on, your compressor's still going to kick on and off, but your fan is going to continuously run.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And you got fan speed, high and low.
Right.
And now for heat, you just put it over to heat and
Okay.
set whatever
Well, that's
temperature.
about as simple as you can get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you said that the...
Pulls up. Comes out.
Oh, that'll be perfect for Beth.
Yeah, we can even put this mattress down to even out the...
Uh-huh.
Got the 2 locks here.
Yeah.
Right.
Maximum weight looks like 200 pounds.
Yeah, this
Do
is
you have to change that?
Wash it.
Just wash it.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's for the air conditioner. And you got the downdrafts. So if you want more cold air in this area
Oh,
instead of
okay.
being ducted.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
It's going to also be loosened and turned as well. You got these little knobs on there.
Okay.
So it just gives you flexibility on what you want to do with it.
Now, does that make it into sleeping as well?
Yes, and that one is,
Yeah, you take it off right here.
Uh-huh.
Then you take this pole out,
Yes.
Right.
and then it just sets
Mm-hmm.
this way.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'd be ready to
It's on top of here, and then you pull the pillows off and fill in the
they
gaps.
probably fill in the, probably fill in the.
And so you got extra sleeping there.
D is for dangling threads. In lap quilting, that is a quilting line left unfinished where the needle is removed
Okay.
to be refilled.
I didn't see it at first. I'm like, is that just suspended there? There's a piece of wood going across.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you go.
there you go.
It's just a pad. Goes on the ground.
Because then you don't know where to go.
Oh, this.
No,
Oh.
just like that. Just
Yeah, you had it right. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
for kids.
hey,
Well, it could be
Bug-
anybody that really wanted a place to sleep.
If you were doing vests or a handbag, you simply
Okay.
cut the pattern
Oh, I see. Okay,
yeah, it's just
So it's the whole.
pad.
you can
the whole
sleep
thing
with the
is
whole
sleeping. Yeah,
If you,
padded.
Really wanted to make it a little bit better, you could have some other kind of pad that you can unroll, kind of
right.
even out the
gaps and stuff.
gaps. Yeah.
The kids ate them.
Here's A1, A section. In front of
It has a pilot light.
And it's way back there.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah.
it's nothing more than muslin folded into a rectangle from a square.
And how do you light that?
With a match or a lighter or a
Oh,
barbecue
okay.
lighter.
Those that little thing sticking out there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
So
What
just
you do
turn it
is
on.
you turn this on, so where it says pilot,
Yeah.
and it says to push.
Yeah.
So you push and you hold. It could take up to 15 seconds before the gas actually reaches down there. And then you light it, hold it down a little bit longer, so it can heat up the thermocouple. And then you let up, it stays lit, you're good to go.
Okay.
Ready to use
Basically,
the oven.
just like our gas log in our fireplace.
Exactly, all
I
the
think
same.
it's the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing exactly.
Oh, you mean when the pilot's off?
Yeah, when the
that's when
pilot's
you gotta
on,
do
yeah.
it. Okay.
When the pilot's off, you gotta do that.
Okay, got it.
Microwave, everybody knows how to work for it.
Right, her son-in-law's flight in F-16. He had always wanted to fly in one. He was
Oh, service panel. I got you.
Talk about school children on a quilt. Janice, what's this over here? Well, Dee Dee Smith worked at school in Georgia.
Yeah, you have to kind of get, let me go around this way. Give you more.
Each of the children on the quilt represents one of the children in the
Okay.
school. And the parents
My light work. There's your water pump.
Oh, okay.
It's got a little fuse in here for it, in case
Okay.
it doesn't work.
Okay.
And it's got this blue valve, white valve, and then it's got this secondary valve. Now, if you're hooked up to city water
Okay.
and you don't want to take the hose off and put it over to the freshwater fill to fill up your fresh water,
Yeah.
you can come in here, and that handle right there, if you turn it in line, will then start filling up your freshwater tank.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why they had that. This
If I decide to do that a lot, I'll have to put some kind of quick connects here to get into it.
yeah, this white one. See that white one right there?
Okay. Yeah.
You turn that one until it stops the other direction that it is, and what that does, it opens up the line from the water pump down to your actual water tank.
Oh,
It's
okay.
closed off right now.
Oh, okay.
And then the blue one is opened up to this hose right here. And this is the hose that you put into winterizing fluid,
Oh, okay.
and you can turn the pump on. So right now it's in the winterizing mode, so you would have to reverse those when you want to de-winterize.
Okay. So when I'm ready to de-winterize, I reverse both of those.
Yes.
And then just hook it up and run it normal.
Yes.
Okay. So. Okay. So I turn them like this when I want to winterize. Then what do I do? Put the
With the hose in a jug of winterizing fluid.
put the hose in a jug of winterizing fluid and turn
Turn
on
on the water pump.
water pump. How would I just turn it on? Just okay.
Right here.
Oh, okay. So does that normally just stay off, or does it stay? Okay. So the only time you use this when you winterize it, when you want to winterize that kind of.
Yeah, or if you want to use your freshwater tank when everything is de-winterized.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, if you never use your freshwater tank, you just leave everything the way it is.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Carbon monoxide detector.
And it's propane as well. Oh yeah, put the cover back on. Can you get my drill real quick?
what is a fruit show?